क्या आपको पता है कि पब्लिक यूरिनल्स को यूज करने से यूटीआई होने का खतरा होता है? यस, इट्स ट्रू. Public urinals can be breeding grounds for the bacteria that cause UTIs. But don't worry, I'll share some shocking facts and tips on how to stay safe and healthy when using the public urinals. Hello friends, I'm Dr. Swapnil Tople. I'm consultant urologist and andrologist practicing in Mumbai. How do public urinals contribute to UTIs? Public urinals can harbor a variety of bacteria and pathogens, including those that can cause urinary tract infections. These bacteria can transfer to your skin, and if they enter into the urinary system, they can lead to infection. So, what are the factors affecting the UTIs? One is cleanliness. The level of sanitization in public urinals significantly impact the risk of contracting UTI. Second is personal hygiene. Proper personal hygiene before and after using a urinal can reduce the risk of infection. Thirdly, immunity. Individuals with a weaker immunity systems are more susceptible to infections. Fourth is frequency of use. Frequent use of public urinals increases the exposure to potential pathogens. So, importance of maintaining the personal hygiene is crucial to preventing UTIs. Washing hands thoroughly and ensuring cleanliness around the genital area can significantly reduce the risk of bacteria entering into the urinary tract. So, what are the tips to reduce the urinary tract infection while using the public urinals? One is avoid direct contact. Use a barrier such as toilet paper when touching the surfaces. Secondly, wipe front to back. Always wipe from front to back to prevent spreading the bacteria. Third, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out the bacteria from the urinary tract. Fourth is wash hands thoroughly. Always wash your hands after using a public urinals. Fifth, use hand sanitizers. You can always carry hand sanitizers for if the soap and water are not available. So there are certain hygienic public urinal solutions also which are already implemented in developed countries. That can be automated cleaning systems. Public washrooms with automated cleaning systems can significantly reduce the bacterial contamination. Secondly, regular maintenance, that is frequent cleaning and maintenance of the public urinals are essential. Third is personal hygiene products. Carry personal hygiene products like sanitizer, wipes or spray to use before and after using a public urinal. By following these steps and being mindful of the hygiene, you can reduce the risk of UTI and stay healthy even when using the public urinals. Thank you.